Hi Dan, I'm back at your resource center. Just wanted to show you what I've added. Here's our Java book. So here's the Java instruction resources. I set up a course for you called Java Practice, and it is in a MindTap. And so the basic format is going to be something familiar. Here's getting started. Here's a quiz generator, download data files for students. This talks about the labs and how to use the coding labs. One thing it has in here is coding snippets. And so students can go to any one of these and have an exercise reviewing how to do a very specific task. Um, then when you go to each lesson, you'll have a reading thing, a video, and then they go to coding. All right. And I have to pause for a second. Sorry, I had to help a little math operation for my ninth graders. So there'll be a video here. Here's where you get into the coding problems. And I'll just click on it quick. So there's different coding problems. And basically the way this is set up is there should be some coding information on the left and instructions, boom. And then they set up your sandbox over here to do it. And you can run checks and so on. Boom. And then they'll give you your checks over here. This will kind of review it with you. I won't click on that part of it. All right. And I think they can hide things and do things over here on it also. All right. So that's the coding part of it. Then you can see sometimes there's quite a few coding problems. Sometimes there's not that many. Debugging exercises, the study part, PowerPoints, terms, etc. And then apply, 2 truths and a lie, and some quiz. So they have a lot of good activities in here. Okay. They have in the news, they have updated activities that will change. They'll take out the current articles for kids to do things. And if you also notice, the long thing we're trying to do on a lot of this is it's good to be able to prove. I guess they don't have one here. Yeah, they do. You can take a pre-assessment quiz to see what they know. And then at the end, they take a post-assessment quiz so that you can actually show what students learned. So that is one thing. And then as I was setting this up for you, I noticed we have another new product in Java. So I loaded that also. I haven't had much time to look at this. This just came out. There's no book with this. It's just a MindTap and an ebook. So I set up another practice course. I'm assuming it's going to be similar to what you did in the other book, but there's some different things here, how to use your labs. Here's your table of contents. And if you look at any particular activity, there's a reading. Then within each thing, another reading. And here's your practice exercises. Here's lab activities. I think the lab activities are the programming coding activities. And I think the look is a little bit different. All right. So they have that. And then there's a summary and PowerPoints and a quiz and a module assessment at the end. They have a capstone. So you can play with those. Let me know what you think. And if you have any kind of questions on this or anything else, have a great day.